Hello and welcome back to Intellify. My name is Yash and in this video we'll be discussing Class 12 Politics in India since Independence, Chapter number 2, Era of One Party Dominance. And now we are going to discuss the 8th question of this chapter. So let's have a look. Question number 8 says, what would you consider as the main differences between Mexico and India under one party domination? Well, like India, Mexico was characterized by one party dominant system with the PRI, that is the Institutional Revolutionary Party, which had won elections and had exercised power for almost 6 decades. Just like Congress, which represented diverse interests, the PRI also represented different shades of opinion of military leaders, political leaders, peasants, labor, and various organizations. In Mexico too, the opposition parties existed and contested but never won. In Mexico, the election took place in regular intervals to elect the president. Well, some of the main differences between India and Mexico are first one, in India, elections took place in a free and fair manner, giving a fair chance to opposition parties to win and to the ruling party to lose. On the other hand, in Mexico, the elections were rigid and the PRA indulged in malpractices to win. Also, in India, Independent Elections Commission ensured fair competition and electoral laws, which had to be adhered to, were applied to all political parties. In Mexico, the electoral laws were modified to ensure that the PRI always won and the opposition could never win. And in India, media played a very important role in in both popularizing as well as criticizing the politics of ruling government as well as the opposition. In Mexico, on the other hand, media largely ignored the activities of the opposition except for criticizing them. Lastly, in India laid a strong foundation of a democratic system based on multi-party system, whereas Mexico, on the other hand, was regarded as a perfect dictatorship. So these were the some of the main differences between India and Mexico based on the one-party system. My name is Yash. Hope you understood well. Thank you.